Right, so John has just brought us somewhere to get some lunch, right? What are we having?
Lomi.
Lomi house.
There we go.
Batangas.
So, and he's throwing his on the floor. So he said we need to mix the calamansi with the onion and then chop in the chili.
I feel like I'm on like a MasterChef video.
Definitely not a MasterChef yet.
Cool, this is hard work, you know.
Okay, I don't think you need to bleed it dry, like. I mean, you can do, but.
I think I might have to.
And then you want to take your pips out. Because you're just squeezing all the pips right in.
I'll take them out separate.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's so much better.
Right, there we go. Separate the pips. You don't want those. And then what do you do with the chili? Just break it up. Break it up.
With the spoon.
Chop, 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 chop.
You're not a very good chopper.
No, not really. I'd normally let you do all this. There we go.
John's laughing at you.
I'm a bit cat-handed.
Use your fork. There we go.
There we go. We got there in the end. Stop laughing at me.
You're doing very
So how
well.
many times you been to Batangas?
Meatballs.
Meatballs, liver, and pork. Yeah.
So this is like the Batangas speciality, right?
Look at the size of it. It's massive.
It looks good.
Jumbo special Lomi.
Jumbo special. Did you ask for jumbo special?
Yeah.
Leave it on the side. Right, guys. So that goes in there.
So please pour some.
Oh, we need some soy sauce as well.
Yeah. Pour some sauce here.
You're recording the wrong thing.
Oh, I knew that. It's a bit of soy sauce on
Oh,
there.
it's very sticky.
Yes.
Why is it sticky? What's inside that makes it sticky?
I don't know actually. But,
So you
good.
never made this, you just only, only ate it?
Just want to eat it.
And then you just tip all of this into here, right?
Yeah. It's up to you on how many soy sauce you want.
I hope I'm doing this right, guys. Don't bash me if I'm doing it wrong.
It's delicious.
Damn.
What a strange consistency.
It's like a soup, a really thick soup.
So meatball, pork, egg.
Liver.
Not in mine. And then soy sauce. Oh, it's so sticky.
Get stuck in. You're at 75% something Filipino.
So
Oh, guys. Dinner is done. That food was
That was
banging, by the way.
good.
That was some good food.